Hello everyone. Moving to a new country can be challenging, especially if you are a student. That's why we're bringing this new series for you. Congratulations to you for getting the admission offer. Last year during this time, I was in your position and I know that you're really excited to come to Sweden. That's why in this episode, I'll give you tips on how to prepare before coming to Sweden. To come to Sweden, you need to apply for the resident permit. The Swedish government has made the application procedure really simple. All you need to do is go to the Swedish Migration Agency website and lodge your resident permit application online. You can just follow the instructions provided on the site. Second most important thing is applying for the accommodation. In Sweden, you can apply for different kind of accommodations. For students, the most convenient way is to contact the university straight away and apply for the accommodation which is provided by them. You can also register to a housing company for a student apartment, and these apartments are distributed based on a queue system. It takes quite a bit of time to get these student apartments, so I highly recommend registering with them even if you have managed an accommodation through your university. It's not going to be really cold in August when you will arrive in Sweden, but I still recommend buying a warm jacket, gloves, and a warm hat just to be on the safe side. Another important thing that you should bring from your home country is an adapter. Without an adapter, you won't be able to charge your electronic devices. Everyone speaks excellent English in Sweden, but still, you should start learning Swedish from now. Trust me, it will help you when you're here. You can learn through different apps and materials available online. Try to get to know about the Swedish education system before coming to Sweden. I have written a blog about how to do research in Sweden. You can check out the blog in Study in Sweden website. Also, start to know about the Swedish culture. It will help you to settle down here. Maybe start with words like lagom and fika. Join the Facebook groups of the university that you have admitted to and start networking with people who are studying here or planning to begin their studies with you. This will help you to make friends and you will have an amazing time in Sweden. Thanks for watching the video and hopefully see you guys soon in Sweden. And don't forget to like and subscribe.